So when you apply position sticky to an element with different position property values like top or left or bottom or right like this, there are two things will happen. First thing is, when you apply position sticky, it will create a new stacking context. This means it creates a new view layer on top of the current document flow. The stacking context looks like this. So this is the current document flow, and this is the new view layer. Second thing is, the element will check if there's any scrolling parent or not. If there's any scrolling parent, after we start scrolling the parent, the element will be placed inside the new stacking context or in the new view layer and will scroll together. After that, it will stick its position at the point where the distance from the top or left or right or bottom edge of the scrolling parent is equal to the value we specified on the top or left or bottom or right. If there's no scrolling parent, the element will stay still and there will be no change on its position. So don't be surprised if nothing happens when you apply position sticky to an element. No scrolling parent might be the possible reason for that.